Hello all, this is Loner 420 from Loner 420. Yeah, Loner 420 from Loner 420 house. Peace all, just out with the dog, out in a broom brush alley. Noticing over here we have some remote control glider planes. So I think I'll try to zoom in for you. Technology these days, but yeah. Again, happy 420 all. And I don't know if you guys can zoom. Right now I'm just trying to walk in position, hoping I have it here. Yeah, remote control airplanes. Technology these days. Pretty cool. You just did a loop too. Well, I'm looking through this, I don't know, 2" by 1" mini cam screen, so I'm hoping I have this plane. Oh, there's a couple of them. Oh, he's going up. Could be doing the loop. Nice, right up in the sunshine. I'm hoping I have it on this mini cam. That's a pretty cool height. All remote control. Hoping I didn't lose sight of it. Oh, he might be going up for his loop. All right, nice dive. There he goes. Sweet. Nice. Again, I'm not sure if I have it on my camera, but this guy totally has control of it. Actually, there's 2 of them. 3 actually. Holy. There's one there. There's one right at the tracks here, out to land maybe. And then we have one over here. Technology these days. Wow. And this one's just hovering. Awesome gliding. All right, I'm gonna sign out and sign back in.